Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Just Being Ray around the home. This video is so way overdue. This is the first video of me showing the kids the house, which we've officially been in for a year. So it's sweet, short, sweet, and to the point. Not much there, but take a look around with the kids as I show them the house and give them ideas on what we're going to change. So I sold the house. The first house I had, rancher house, it has been sold. It didn't actually take long with the market looking the way it did, but that's sold. But the problem was I didn't get around to getting a new home before that house was sold. So the kids and I had to temporarily relocate in a Airbnb. Yes, well, we did it. We survived. It wasn't much of an Airbnb, but it was enough for us for now. We were just temporarily living here for probably about a month. So it did what it was supposed to do, which was house us on a temporary basis until we managed to close on the new home, which we also did. Showing the kids the home for the first time was nothing short of being interesting. They all had something to say. They all had comments. They all rushed in. As you can see right here, nobody seemed to think to pick the box up. Everybody walked over the box. Everybody. It was so weird. But we grabbed a few things before I took them in and showed them around the house. Showed them where rooms were and where we were with designing things, the ideas I had, and if they could see what the vision that I could see when we got the house. So it was really an interesting first trip for them. I had already seen the house a few times and already had ideas on exactly what I wanted to do with the house. So take a look around at the house and since this video was so way overdue, there have been many changes to the house since this video has been recorded. So with me trying to make a comeback, this is going to be the first of the videos that are updates to the house. The first update we made was the kitchen. I redid the entire kitchen, ripped out the old kitchen down to the studs, down to the everything, and just redid the whole kitchen. The second big renovation that was done to the house was the main floors, the kids' floors. We got the half bath is done, the new carpet upstairs, paint on all the walls. So if you're interested, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the updates that are to follow. A lot of them were DIY. Majority of them were DIY. I got down and dirty and learned a whole bunch of new skills trying to get this house together. So stay subscribed. We'd love to have you. Like the video, and let's get ready.